Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a clean with me. I moved a few months ago and honestly she's a whole woman, a whole new housewife. Just kidding. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean the entire bottom floor. Now you guys, I went from like living with my whole family to living on my own with my man, and you know, if I don't clean the house does not get cleaned, period. No, but honestly, Brian is a huge help. Sometimes if I don't feel like cleaning, he'll clean, or vice versa. So you guys are gonna see us both cleaning in this video, but we wanted to go ahead and do this clean with me that night because we did have a trip the next day. So I just wanted to make sure the house was nice and clean before we took off. And just in general, we did have family over, and as you can tell, it was just really messy. Normally it wouldn't get like this unless there's like a lot of people in the house. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first place we're going to tackle down is the kitchen. This is the area that gets the dirtiest, and this is always like the first thing I do because I feel like the island is always a hot mess. It's an area that we hang out a lot, especially when we have friends and family over. My little sister was over, so we had Chick-fil-A, so I'm just kind of throwing all the trash away. And then also, I believe this week we had done like a shoot, so I had like earrings on the island. At some point I had to close. Girl, it was a hot mess. It is time to wash the dishes, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a dishwasher girl now. Coming from a Mexican family, I feel like nobody ever uses a dishwasher, but I started using it once I moved here, y'all, and it's life-changing. It really is, but I'm not gonna use it today because it's not a lot of dishes. I will mainly use a dishwasher when I have like family over, but like right now I feel like I was able to do it on my own. You know what I mean? My cazuelas are usually a little crusty, so I like to let some hot water run, just let it sit there and just, you know, loosen up a little bit while I put like the rest of the dishes away and just clean everything else. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the counters with this spray right here. I use this literally for everything. This part is so satisfying for me, y'all. Once the island is clean, it's over. Like everything else just is easy from now on. All right, we're gonna move on to the other counters. I'm gonna put this air fryer away, y'all. It's funny because I only used it in the very beginning. I use it here and there, but it takes up too much counter space. I think in general, I don't like a lot of things on the counter. I also put my toaster away, even though that's something I do use quite often. I just prefer to have my decor. I think sometimes I get too excited with everything else. I'm like, you know what? It's looking too cluttered. Let's get it all out the way. I am obsessed with Grupo Firme, and I say that like so wholeheartedly. I'm Edwin. I'm just listening to them. They're icons. So in case you guys are wondering the vibe while cleaning, it's definitely them. All right, now that the counters are done, I'm gonna focus on the stove. I know a lot of y'all are gonna cringe because I don't really use an actual stove cleaning product. I literally just kind of dust off everything. I go in with that cleaning spray. I know, cringe. And then after, I'll go in with my sponge. Now, obviously, this routine I don't do every single day. I think for the most part, when I cook, I'll just kind of like grab a towel and just clean around. But this is like deep cleaning for me, and I still know like the grasa is stuck. It does not come off. Y'all know how grasa is. You need that good stuff. So let me know in the comments, because this is how I do it, and obviously like it doesn't 100% work. So instead of judging, girl, just let me know what product you use in the comments, please. I'm also cleaning my little cook sign because it also gets splattered with some oil. And then after that, I'm just going to clean the cabinets, which I obviously don't do every single day, but I like to do it at least once a week. And Brian does help me out a lot. You guys are going to see him throughout this video. He's helping me clean the cabinets. We kind of go back and forth. I'm not going to lie. Sometimes I wake up, the house is already clean, or vice versa. Just really depends. Or sometimes we clean together. So now I'm going to move on to the fridge, because the fridge is something that I really actually don't ever clean. And I noticed how dirty it was. Like I said, I should probably be using like a different product. I'm just using that cleaning spray I showed you guys. It is like my go-to. I did go ahead and wash the rest of the cazuelas. You guys, this is my favorite part, when just like you start scrubbing the sink with a jabon. Oh my god, y'all. We love adulting. We love being clean. And I don't know, I just honestly, this is so satisfying. Like, wow. So we have this little table that we used to have behind the couch. So we moved it again because it was by the dining area. And we are just picking up everything. This table has like PR packages. Oh, we did put that table back next to the dining table, y'all. I know. We were trying to figure out what to do with it. So I just started decorating it. I got some cute stuff. And I really love decorating, you guys. I actually used this little box that was left from PR. And I just made my own little like book. Honestly, it came in handy. And this is just me like every day, just moving things around, trying to figure out what looks good. I just feel like I'm addicted to like decor right now. And it's just the vibe. Alright, y'all, so this is how the living room looked earlier. It was really messy, and mind you, I had my little sister and brother over, so it really never gets like this, you guys. Is it necessary to have so many pillows? Absolutely. And let me tell you why, girl. I got a really dark gray couch, and I want to just like brighten up my living room. So if you guys don't want to change your furniture, just get your pillows a little lighter, get a really cute like light throw blanket, and I feel like it helps brighten up the room. But let me know, guys. I really want to get like the cloud couch, like the one that they have at Living Spaces, not the real cloud couch, girl, because that thing is expensive. But let me know if I should get like a white couch. I really want one. But Brian's just vacuuming the carpet, and he also goes in to vacuum the couch at least once a week. Girl, you gotta get in there and get all those crumbs. Okay, let's put back the pillows and blanket. I like to have this throw blanket just across the couch on the leg right there because it just brightens it up. Like I said, I got it at Target. Anyone that comes over always compliments it. It is extremely cozy, comfortable. You need it in your life, girl. actually feel like the TV stand never gets dirty. Brian was just kind of putting things away because he was actually hanging some curtains. But I'm gonna go ahead and lighten up the mood, girl, with my diffuser. I'm just filling her up with some water. I actually got my diffuser and oils at Walmart. So my oils are not strong enough, you guys, and I'm just going off. A lot does not come out, don't worry, but like I like to add so much because I feel like they're so cheap, like you really cannot smell them that strong. And I did hear that lavender oil is safe for pets, so I did start using my diffuser again. I'm not gonna lie, I stopped using it for a minute because y'all had scared me. I was like, oh, it's poisonous. I'm just gonna turn her on, and she is just such a vibe. All right, now that the living room and kitchen is done, I'm gonna move on to the entryway. So I'm just gonna clean this body mirror that we have, and then Brian's gonna get yet another PR box and take it upstairs. I'm also just gonna start going through like my sweaters and purses because I noticed we hang so much stuff up here that is not necessary. So I'm just leaving a few jackets that I think I would be actually using on the go, and the rest I'm just gonna go ahead and take it. And Brian's just gonna go ahead and pick up all this mail, this junk mail that we have right here on this bench, which should not be there. I tell him all the time to not stack it on there. So he finally picked it up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and finally vacuum the floors. And oh my god, I'm actually vacuuming the restroom. I didn't show you guys me cleaning the guest restroom, but yeah, she's clean, she's good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum the entire floor. I'm lifting up the bar stools so they're not in the way. I don't know if you guys can see Brian's preparing the water for us to trapear. We love a housewife. Finally, we're just mopping, and actually Brian does add detergent in the water. So if you guys want your house to smell like you're actually washing clothes, that's a really good hack. It just smells really, really nice, you guys. I found this hack on TikTok and we've been doing it ever since. And we are done, you guys. I really, really hope that you enjoyed this video, and hopefully it motivates you to get your booty up and clean your house. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun doing this. I really, really actually enjoy watching these kind of videos, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.